Hey, what's going on guys, this is iPad Tech Sport and I am back with another video tutorial. And today's video tutorial I'm going to show how can you import your font on any of your photo editing software, for example Adobe Photoshop Touch, which is not available at this moment for your iOS or Android, but on the future I'll be give you that link also, and free link. Okay, and also your graphic designer software, which is graffiti designer, and also all of the master effects and after photo, Adobe Photoshop Touch, picard, and basically any of, and even also video editor, for example CuteCut Pro or CuteCut the free version. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. So do that. First of all, you need a software which is available on the App Store. You don't worry about it, which is called AnyFront. So quickly go to the App Store and you'll be just type any font, and hit on the search bar. On the description will I am give you a link which is my website link. It will be go to my blog post or my article post, and on there you can find all of those links. And don't ever, my website is not ad, okay? I don't have any type of ad on my site, and my site will be all mobile friendly, so you will be also don't need to worry about that. So my net is probably quite a bit down at this moment, I can see that, but as you can guess on the first AnyFront, it will be a 199 or only 99, maybe only 99 cent. These apps you can buy it and just download it. I am already do it. So after you downloaded these apps here, AnyFront, you open it, and I already import some of the font on this software, and by this I'll be import the font on Adobe Photoshop and other software or other apps. So now you first of all need to download the software. Sorry guys, download font. To download font, head over any of browser. In this case you can use Safari, but you can use any of them. Go to any of font download website. In my case I am use DA font, or there are a lot of site, for example Google font or font family, those also the Google, but you can also use those. Okay, here the font.com, on here you can basically find all of font. So here a nice category which is I like about that. So for example, now I choose card comic, and on here, yep, those are super great font. So for example, I am choose this Amazing Spider-Man, or yep, choose it. So you can click it, or you can directly click on download, but when you click it, it will be show you the font style which is great. So I'll be now click on download, and don't worry about that, it is just quite a bit kilobyte, not also megabyte. On here you can click on open in, and on here you will be find any font. Here click on open in any font, and it should open in here. And on this category, on this list, the first here say install own font. On this tab you can find your font. I am already installed those, but now I am installed the Amazing Spider-Man. You can click this font, and you can click on preview to see a preview how the font will be look like, and by click this you can write your own text to show the font. So you just tap this icon, and it will be now say install a profile, or sometime if it will be error, then try again later. It will be said to install a profile, just install a profile, and if you have password or touch ID, then enter it and click on next, install, and don't worry, it will be not a virus and it will be not harmful for your device. Okay, so after it will be installed, we install our custom font in our device. So now to show you or test it, go to my Adobe Photoshop Touch, and on the future, as I said, video coming, so to stay tuned, subscribe us. Okay, and now create a new canvas and just here text, and let's see our font will be here or not. So first of all, let's type anything. Let's type our channel name. Yes, and now I am click on the font, and here all of my font, and as you can guys see, some of them I am already installed. So the font name is the Amazing Spider-Man. It will be on the down, and hooray guys, our font is installed. So click on the red one, and as you can guys see, yep, this look cool. And here iPad text board, as you can guys see, now I am using the Amazing Spider-Man font, not any other font. Okay, the Amazing, I am just improved it on my Adobe Photoshop, which is my primary photo editing software. And as you can guys see, it looks so cool. So for you, I'll be just on the background add some spice. So now you will be understand that it will be not a ordinary font. So that's it in this video tutorial, and I hope it will be work for you, and just buy these apps. It will be a cool apps. It will be just one-time payment. Just buy it and you can use anytime you want. It will be go to your app store or app purchase list, so you don't need to purchase any other device, or on the future if you deleted this app, just free download it, don't need to purchase it again. Okay guys, so that's it in this video tutorial. I hope you'll be enjoyed it. Like the video, and on the down subscribe the channel. And now if you do all those things, now you might be say what is next. Make sure to be watch my previous video. On the end you can see a end screen annotation on here. Click the my end video and you should good to go. And as always guys, thank you for watching.